Good morning, guys. Sorry, we'll get started in a few minutes. My bad, my bad, my bad. Good morning, guys. Sorry, we'll get started in a few minutes. My bad, my bad, my bad. Morning, 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 morning. 1 second, guys. Can you guys see my screen? Oh, wait, let me set my screen up. Sorry, 1 sec. Yeah, 1 second, 1 second. All right, cool. Should be working in a few minutes. BMR is going absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Wowza. Guys, I'm going to share the new YouTube video. I'm going to post it right now. It is in high demand. Hassie did it. It's a very, 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 very good YouTube video. Give me 1 sec. Let me sort this out real quick and then we'll get started, guys. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Right. What's happening with the market? I'll post it now that's live, but I'll just retweet it. This BMR has gone absolutely bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. I'll do some charts now, guys. Just bear with me. Just bear with me. BMR, what a move. Right. Yeah, this YouTube video is going to be great. You guys should all watch it. Please like it, subscribe, comment, all those kind of things. You know what to do. Would really appreciate it. And then we'll keep posting for you guys. We'll keep sharing ideas and the setups that we take so you guys can all learn from us as well. So, new YouTube video. Once I post this, then we'll get started, guys. So just bear with me for a minute. All right, we should be on there. Perfect. Okay, YouTube video is uploaded, guys. So go and watch that when you guys have time. Right, let's have a look. PTPI, this thing's going insane. Was BMR the one that ran crazy yesterday? It was the one that ran yesterday. PTPI. PTPI, let me have a look at this. Right, so PTPI is looking pretty good. Yeah, PTPI, down here. So PTPI, let me look at this. So on a larger time frame, we can see what's happening, right? There is a lot of strong wick rejections around this level, okay? So we can say that this is area of resistance. So I would just mark this around here. Let's say 170. So around 170 level is where your resistance is. So you need a candle close above this and then you can look for possible entries. But every time it gets there, it's been rejecting, right? So PTPI, I'm going to mention, wait for 170. Wait for 170 and you should be golden. But no entries now. No need. Just wait. You got to wait. You got to wait for the confirmation. That's all. Let me share this chart. So PTPI, wait for break above 170 level. Right, what else is there? PTPI, VCIG. This one's going nuts as well, isn't it? I've got a really large time frame. I mean, watch this. Strong downtrend on this for now. Here we go. This is kind of what I have at the moment. You need like 255. I would wait for 255 on that. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. You can't see any video. You can't see my screen. Just refresh the page if you can't. If you can't see the YouTube video, I will link it to you so you can see. This is the new YouTube video. Right here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. ADIL. ADIL, what's happening with this? So go to larger time frame. Let's identify the levels. So where's the resistance around here? So we can mark this off. So around 210 is your big resistance level. We can see it's rejected once, twice, 3 times, 4 times here. So look for it to close above $2. That's what I would mark. So just mark $2 here. If you can get a closure above that, then maybe you can look for possible entries. 5-minute time frame. Obviously, there's just news come out with this, so I have to add this to my watch list. At the moment, I don't know what. So like this kind of chart right now, what's happening, right? No one knows what is going to happen here. Okay, this is on the 1 minute. The only way you can look for entries if you get a downtrend break. That's it. No downtrend break equals no entries. Okay, so wait for it to break above, then you can look for entries. That's on the 1 minute chart. There's a quick scalps. Hello, 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 hello. What's up, Elmo bro? What's up, what's up, what's up? Hello, is OMH still on fire? OMH. OMH is not still on fire. It is coming down. It's burning in the fire right now. It's burning, it's burning. So, same thing with this guy. Same rules apply all the time. It's simply just draw the trend line, right? You can identify here that it's simply in a downtrend. Yes, the stock is up 250%. That is all good and well, right? But if you're trying to enter now, okay, then it's a lot higher risk. We can identify that there's a large, there's a demand zone here. So there could be a possible entry here. So if you did enter here, your stop loss would be, it had to be it's a very, very large stop loss. So for me, I wouldn't take this trade now. I would personally wait for the downtrend break. However, it is lower risk entries if you do get a 5-minute green candle close on this chart. You're in demand zone, you're expecting price to push to the upside on this one. So if you want to take it, you just need a much larger stop loss. So OMH, expecting reversal. So why am I expecting reversal? It's pulled back into demand zone. We're expecting it here once. Now we're getting this candle, and then hopefully we push to the upside, right? On that, I can't see video. Is it working now? Can you guys all see the video just to make sure? So I'm not like talking to myself. DBGI says no dilution. Nice, nice, nice. I literally just trade what's in front of me, bro. I don't really look too much at the fundamental side of it. So look here, this next resistance level is 560. So it should get to 560 today. We'll see. It's the next resistance level. It's pushing pretty hard as well. Here we go. Right here. So look, this has room. So look, room to 560. Why do I say that? Because this is the next resistance level. That's the only reason why. There's nothing else. Not because of the RSI, not because of anything. It's literally just based off technicals. So look, room. This has room to 560 level. BGLC, oh no, my stop loss, never mind. BGLC, BMR, next resistance 2022. BMR is over here somewhere. 2022. Yes, correct. 2022, and then, I mean, literally 34. Like, this thing's insane. Very, very crazy play. BGLC thoughts. I think it's on my watch list. It's such a big watch list. I like BGLC. It's literally going for the breaker high day right now. Here. 161 break. 161 break sends this thing. So I had this earlier today marked already, but it obviously started running up again after this news, CPI news. I'm going to be trading with like 50% trade size today. So that means half of what I usually trade with. BGLC, waiting for 161 break. So I just will wait for 161 break, and then you can look for possible entries. BGLC, it's out of 1 minute. So one thing I would do, I don't want to call you Adolf, I'll call you Manthan, I think it is. What I would do is personally, when a play is running like this crazy, right? Say like watching it on the 1 minute, it's very, very difficult to trade these because obviously, yes, it's good and well that it's moving quick and everything. But if you can trade fast and you're used to it and you're pretty savvy with entering and exiting, then that's fine. But in terms of for me kind of trading this, it's a lot more difficult because you have to be very, 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 very quick when you're trading these kind of plays on the 1 minute. I like using the 5 minute because there's more confirmation. So all I would do is, if I was to take this trade, is if it comes down to around this level, 112, I would try and look for an entry here and then look for a quick move to the upside for maybe 5% move, and then sell some and then see how the rest goes. But 161 break will send this, but it's looking like it's pushing hard. But if it breaks 161, you can see why, right? Can't see video. Can you guys see video or not? Can you just refresh it? I really hope. I haven't been talking and... We're gonna hit one. Ooh, 933 subs. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. And like as well. Like up the stream. So every day I do this, Monday to Friday, an hour before market open. I do live trading, or I do this pre-market sessions. And then in the Discord, all I do is I simply just do Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I do live trading where members, it's basically the same as this, where I share my screen. The only difference is that I give entries, exits, explain why I get in, what we're looking for before the move happens, and so on, right? So this is more just showing you and setting up what's happening, what's possibly going to happen into open, or just setups we're looking at now. Maybe some setups you guys can take as well. Okay, cool, great. I don't want to be talking to myself. ASST. Someone asked me about ASST. So CPI news was no bueno, huh? What are we thinking with this CPI? Yeah, CPI. Interesting. I'm gonna keep an eye on this though. Right, ASST. Let me have a look. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to sort something out real quick. Trying to just see something real quick. All right, okay, cool. Let's get started. So ASST here, look, this is looking pretty decent on the 4 hours. So you can identify what's going on, right? Here is our demand zone. The demand zone is simply just the last red candle before the push to the upside. You can use this whole zone if you want to, okay, like that. We can see that this is the demand zone. Now we can identify that it's pulling back into this demand zone, which is a great sign. However, this looks like now it's trying to push up. So it's lower risk entries trying to enter now than trying to enter up here or up here, you know? So try and look, maybe you can look for possible entries here. For me, it needs to have some kind of volume. At the moment, it doesn't have much volume, but it is lower risk entries if you did take it here, that's all. So I'll mention here, ASST, possible reversal of this level. So ASST, possible reversal of demand zone. See that, right? We see the video. Okay, we see. DBGI. Oh, let me have a look. Yep, $5. I don't even know what I mentioned on this. I just said 560 break, and it's just absolutely gone nuts. So there it goes. I don't know if anyone got in. Oh, I just said it's got room to that level. Wowza. This thing's going absolutely insane. What is this? This is drone news. No, is there any? Is this drone? Wow. Is anyone in this? I know someone asked me about this DBGI, but holy smokes. Wow. Wow. That's insane. Lando, you in, bro? That's pretty impressive, man, if you're in. Very, very nice. Holy smokes. These are the levels on DBGI, by the way. Look at this. These are your next levels. This thing is absolutely insane. We got a lot of runners recently. The market is really pushing in February right now. It's very, very nice to see. PTPI. Wow, well done, well done, well done. That's all whoever's mentioned DBGI. I don't get any credit. I got credit for maybe charting. DB, yeah, Lando. Lando mess. Well done, Lando, bro. Well done, well done, well done, well done, well done. Guys, if you're in this trade, you should be out at least 90% of the trade. If you're still holding, then I don't know. Skyrocketing. Probably if you chase now, I don't know. No bueno. No bueno, no bueno. So ADIL, I'm just going to move down. I have a lot on my watch list here, guys, on the left-hand side, as you can see. So there's not in any specific order which one's the best, which one's the worst, but this is simply just the plays that are all moving at the moment. BGLC. So maybe you could take entries here. For me, I don't know. I'm not really interested. I like to wait for confirmation. If it gets 161, I would. But if you want to, you could try and take entries here. You'd need a, what, 7% stop loss max. That's how I would trade this. So if anyone did get in, look, 115 here to 119. That's already a quick move. ARRB does not look any good. It's breaking below this demand zone as well. So I'm not really interested. I'm just going to keep this like this. So on the 5-minute, look. What do we identify? We identify the trend, that it's in a downtrend, right? I personally am going to wait until it at least gets above this, like at least reclaims like $5. Right now it's not worth it. It looks like it's trying to reverse, but for me, I'm not confident enough. BDRX, this thing's very, 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 very slow. This is slow. I'm waiting for 278 on that. OMH in demand zone. Yeah, it needs to, what is this? Needs to hold this level, 380. CHSN, strong downtrend on this for now. There's a lot of movers, guys, a lot of movers. FAMI, not really interested. No real demand zone on this. Same thing with this, right? I'll even use a 10-minute on this chart. Oh, no, let's keep 5. I'll just stay consistent with this. So 5 minutes. So look here, I'm waiting for this break here, 335, simply because that's previous resistance there, right? Now here. So you can see what's happening here, right? Same thing, downtrend, downtrend. If it gets a downtrend break around maybe 230, then you can look for possible entries as well, right? I'd say it's pretty simple in terms of how I look for setups, right? Yes, in terms of me giving alerts and that in the Discord, it's a little bit different because I look for sniper entries and that's where I get the best entries for members and myself basically. But the simplicity of it and what I'm trying to explain to you guys is literally just identify the trend. If it's in a downtrend, just wait for the trend line to break. More confirmation on the 5-minute would be best. And then you can look for an entry. Just try and do those trend line breaks. It works very, very well because if you're trying to enter in a downtrend, right, it's a lot higher risk. However, for this one, right, although we can see it's in a downtrend, look, we can identify that it's in an area of support, okay? So we can identify, look, if we take entries here, there's a lot lower risk, right, than trying to enter if it's up here at the trend line or if it's still going down, right? So here we identify that it's been area of support here, right? So like all of this has been in a strong area of support. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just trying to get most touches. So you can see this is a pretty strong area of support, right? We do expect this to push off this. If it doesn't, it's obviously going to just keep coming down. So at the moment, this is our area of support. We need to start pushing. After this bullish candle here, this strong bullish candle, I expected price to go up from here. It didn't. Therefore, it's probably going to keep going down. Luna is in demand zone at the moment. We're in the 30-minute demand zone. We have a strong resistance here at 578, but if it does reclaim maybe around 530, then you can be interested to look for plays on this. ADIL, I'm not really interested in that. This thing is unbelievable. 1350 next. Yeah, just be smart, bro. Oh, there's no equity offerings. I think everyone's gonna just pump it. Let me just get these people asking for DBGI levels. Here's your DBGI levels. DBGI key level. So you guys can keep this, just save it. Screenshot, whatever you need to do, just to remember. DBGI levels. I think you can get 14. Yeah, you probably could, bro. Just be, I mean, yeah, it would be out a lot already. This one, I'm waiting for this to find an area of support. No demand zone, clear demand zone, so nothing for me on that. BGLC, yeah, could not hold. That's why I like to wait for confirmation above 161. If I get 161, then I'll look for entries. Trying to enter here for me personally, I don't like to do it. That's why I never would have entered. ARBB does look like it's trying to reverse here. So look, we can identify that this is an area of support. So 370 we can mark as an area of support. Okay, so we can see that since we've pulled back to this level, right, we can see that this has found area of support here on 5 minutes and 10 minutes, strong bullish candle. Now buyers are stepping in to push this to the upside, right? So I would personally watch this one into open. This is very, very good. So the reason why I say that is simply because it looks like it's reversing and 20 minutes still open. ARRB, watch this into open. I never enter plays right at open. I wait at least 10-15 minutes. PTPI, what's happening with that thing? PTP, is it moving now? PTPI is nothing on this. Here, 170 PTPI, look. See these wicks? Strong rejection. Wait for break above. I'm going to go with my watch list, guys, and then I'm going to head in the Discord. I know I started a little later today. It's a shorter stream, but I was just busy doing something. So tomorrow will be normal, don't worry. DBGI. Nothing on DBGI, just giving the levels here. Just remember, guys, what goes up must come down. There's areas of support, resistance, play areas of support. So if this holds here, look for entries. That's how I would do it. VCIG, this one is in a channel down pattern, so you do expect price to break above like this, up, right? So that's what we do expect to happen on this one. BGLC, I'm waiting for 161. Put this as a reminder, mark whatever you want. If it gets that, then you should be fine. ARBB, this one's pushing up. I don't know if anyone is grabbing this or has entered this, but it looks very, very good. BDRX is pushing into open as well. I like this setup into open. BDRX, I like this into open. So I'm just sharing on Twitter, guys, what setups I like into open, right? Doesn't mean buy it. I'm waiting for confirmation for me, but I do like these setups. Just showing you what plays I like. OMH is respecting this demand zone very, very well, which is ideal. CHSN, nothing on this yet. It looks like it's trying to find an area of support around here. 188. So that's what we have for this. Let's look left, see if anything's here. So it used to be previous resistance. Now it's become support. Safe entries here if you were to take it on this one. FAMI, nothing on this. Luna. I'm going to look at this one into open. It looks much safer play. This is my top watch into open. Watching this into open. Adil's broken that downtrend. So look here, 1 minute, right? So if you're on the 1 minute, look here. This would have been your entry right here, this candle. So this is on the 1 minute chart, right? So once this broke here, that was your entry candle. So if you entered there, right, on that break from this candle to here, there's 11% move, right? That's a 1 minute candle or chart. So obviously it's less confirmation, but that's what you have on this. Adil looks good. BANL, not really interested in this. Trying to just BMR is just absolutely insane. Same thing with this. Look, just draw the trend line. If it breaks it, continuation, right? There we go. If you want to, use the 1 minute. So here's your 1 minute. If you get a downtrend break, then look for possible entries on this. Like that. So if you get like 1790 closure, possible entries. DHAI, this was a runner yesterday. Nothing on this for me. TCBP, nothing on this. That's pretty much it, guys. All right, so I'm going to head into the Discord now. I know we're getting a lot of members every single day, okay, which is great. If you want to join, you can join. Feel free to join. The link is here. Here's the link. So yeah, tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is when I do live trading for all members. Like I said, it's pretty much the same as this, but I just share my screen and how I'm doing, and then I just give entry, stop loss, and explain why I'm getting in, so they learn and understand why we're getting in trades, right? We focus more on quality. I give around 5 setups, and so does Hassie, so about 10 each for the day. We're not looking to give you guys 100 alerts because that's not how we trade. We focus on quality. All right, so yeah, I don't really want to ramble along about the Discord because some of you guys don't really care, which is fine, but a lot of people ask me about it every single day, and this is probably where I can explain it best because I don't want to type it out every time, right? So I will be going over it every single day because I get questions all the time. But yes, the Discord is there. I just want to say the difference between my Discord or the Discord and Twitter is all I do on Twitter is I share charts and setups that I do like. I expect the price to go up. I'm not 100% correct, but I am correct pretty much 78% of the time, over 3,000 trades, which I've done, recorded. But with that being said, always keep a stop loss. I personally have a 3% stop loss. I give members the leeway of having a 5% stop loss. But in regards to Twitter, are just setups that I like. It doesn't necessarily mean that I'm in the play. If I do enter any stock, I give the alerts with entry, stop loss, and targets to members in the Discord, right? So if I do enter plays, which is around 5 a day, I give that in the Discord. But if I giving you guys setups on Twitter, yes, they are setups that I like and I expect to go up. I'm not going to post a trade that I don't expect to go up, but always just ensure you guys have a stop loss and do not full port. Don't be silly, right? So I'm going to end the Discord now, guys. I hope you have a great day. I will see you all tomorrow. Thanks for joining. Also, before you leave, if you can like the stream, I would appreciate it. And thank you again for the support on Twitter. We are growing crazy. I can't believe it every day how much I'm growing, which is amazing because a lot of you guys are making good money, which is great to see as well. So keep it up, trade smart, enjoy. I hope you guys keep learning. We're at 11,000 followers, hopefully 20,000 by in 2 months or so. That would be great. But yeah, have a great day, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Thanks for joining.